Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable wood-burning stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kunka Tent Stove, a stainless steel wood-burning stove packed with features for outdoor enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the high-quality stainless steel construction, which ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it ideal for harsh cold weather conditions. The stove comes with 6 chimney pipes and an adjustable valve for precise flame control, allowing you to customize the heat output to your needs. With heat-resistant viewing windows on both the door and sides, you can monitor the fire easily while enjoying the flickering flames, a unique touch that sets it apart from competitors. In terms of design, the Kunka Tent Stove is compact and portable, featuring foldable legs and a storage rack that doubles as a handle. The chimney pipes and accessories can be stored inside the stove for easy transport, making it perfect for camping, hunting, and ice fishing trips. However, at 20 pounds, it's not the lightest option on the list, and its size may not be ideal for backpackers looking for ultralight gear. The stove also includes essential safety features, such as a rain cap and flame-retardant materials, ensuring reliability in adverse weather conditions. While the Kunka Tent Stove is highly functional, its limited user reviews, only 1 rating so far, make it harder to gauge long-term performance. However, the robust build and thoughtful design make it a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable stove for small spaces like canvas tents or yurts. The 1-year warranty and lifetime customer service add peace of mind, but the lack of price transparency may deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this stove is best suited for those prioritizing durability and versatility in rugged outdoor environments. Coming in at number 4 is the Kunka Black Wood-Burning Tent Stove, a compact solution tailored for cold weather outdoor activities like camping and ice fishing. The unique chimney design features 7 stainless steel sections, reaching a height of 6 feet, which can be adjusted to fit your tent. Windropes and nails are included for stability, ensuring safe use even during breezy conditions. The heat-resistant glass door allows for easy flame observation, while the adjustable air vent and removable ashtray ensure optimal burning control and hassle-free cleanup. The design emphasizes portability, with foldable legs and a storage rack that converts into a carrying handle. All accessories, including the chimney pipes, can be stored inside the stove for convenient transport. At 24 pounds, this stove is heavier than most portable models, so it's better suited for car camping or trips where weight isn't a major concern. The carbon steel construction provides excellent durability and heat efficiency, capable of warming areas up to 200 square feet, ideal for tents or small cabins. While the Kunka Black Tent Stove has many strengths, its paint can emit smoke during the first use, which some users may find off-putting. This issue is easily resolved by pre-burning the stove in an open area. With a mid-range price point and solid performance, this stove is a dependable choice for campers and hunters looking for a compact yet powerful heating solution. Its versatility and sturdy build make it a great investment, though it may not be as portable as other options in this list. At number 2, we have the Lines Life Wood-Burning Camp Stove, a fantastic cast-iron stove designed for efficient burning and versatility. Its 16 air vents provide excellent ventilation, ensuring consistent and efficient combustion. The large capacity chamber can hold enough firewood to burn for 40 to 60 minutes, making it ideal for extended cooking or heating sessions. The adjustable pot holders add flexibility, allowing users to use various cookware sizes, a great feature for outdoor chefs who need versatility. The design is compact yet durable, made of high-quality cast iron that ensures longevity and resistance to rust and corrosion. The folding legs and rotatable bottom make this stove easy to set up and carry, while its 7-pound weight keeps it relatively portable. The included carrying case further enhances convenience. allowing users to transport it effortlessly on backpacking trips or camping adventures. However, the stove's weight and dimensions may be slightly cumbersome for ultralight hikers. With a price range of $48.99 to $65.99, the Lives Life stove offers excellent value for money. It's suitable for various fuel sources, including wood, straw, and charcoal, making it highly versatile. Perfect for picnics, survival situations, or cooking while camping. This stove excels in functionality and durability. While its customer reviews, 4.6 stars, are overwhelmingly positive, some users might find the setup slightly challenging due to its heavier build. Overall, this stove is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a balance between performance, durability, and affordability. Finally, at number 1, we have the Godsax Rocket Stove, a portable wood-burning stove that combines innovative design with outstanding performance. The standout feature here is its structural design, which creates a chimney effect to maximize combustion efficiency. This ensures a powerful, consistent flame perfect for cooking or heating outdoors. Made from Q235 steel with a thickness of 0.072 inches, the stove can withstand temperatures over 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit without deformation. It also supports loads of up to 130 pounds, making it incredibly durable and reliable for heavy-duty use. In terms of usability, the Godsax Rocket Stove is designed with ease in mind. It features a tilted combustion chamber that automatically slides out ashes, ensuring continuous wood replenishment without hassle. The compact dimensions, 8.85 by 13 by 3.93 inches, and lightweight design, 5.62 pounds, make it highly portable. The included storage bag enhances its convenience, allowing users to transport it effortlessly for camping, backyard cooking, or outdoor events. Additionally, it's compatible with various fuel sources like twigs, leaves, and sticks, making it an eco-friendly choice. With a 4.6-star rating from over 600 customer reviews, the Godsax Rocket Stove is a crowd favorite. Its durable build, efficient performance, and compact design make it an unbeatable option for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliability and portability. While the price is not listed, its stellar reviews and robust features make it a top choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, portable, wood-burning stove. Whether you're grilling at a backyard barbecue or preparing a meal in the wilderness, this stove is the ultimate companion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.